Hello and welcome to everyone watching this session on Team Search. I am Raja, the product manager for Team Search.
And I am Shruti, Program Manager for Team Search in Mobile. Really excited to share with you what's new and what's next for Teams Mobile Search.
We are extremely humbled and aware that Microsoft Teams is helping users across many walks of life, including students, teachers, healthcare professionals, and information workers across many industries continue their most important work. We at Team Search have a vision to help you achieve more and be more productive by helping you navigate, find, and research content faster and reliably. As your organization's use of Teams grows, so do content stored in Teams, giving you a rich breadth and history of content in chats, channels, meetings, and other organization knowledge to draw on. Today in this session, we will be talking about how Team Search will help you complete your tasks by assisting in finding messages, files, and in future third-party app and enterprise content as well. We will also be talking about how Team Search is moving from solving find scenarios into the realm of insights and answers mined from your organizational knowledge. We will also see some interesting demos on how we help you connect with the right people and experts within your organization through the improvements which we have done in people search. We also believe that search must be ubiquitous and ensure we help you complete the task which you have at hand without taking away focus, be it desktop or on the go in mobile. Let us jump right into the exciting set of demos where we will talk about all these upcoming features as well as some tips and tricks on how you can find content easier and faster through Team Search. For today's demo, the persona who we are going to be using is Megan Bowen, who is a marketing manager at Contoso Electronics. And as you can see, she's part of many product launch campaigns within Contoso. Megan is working on the Mark 8 project and recollects there were few discussions related to pricing, but she does not recollect where the discussion happened. She queries for pricing in the team search box on top and press enter, and she is able to find the relevant message which she is looking for. She is able to expand the results and also get context of the original post, which helps her build confidence and directly deep link into the message and go ahead and respond to that message and complete her task. We at Team Search are super excited to introduce to you the modern full page immersive search results experience in Teams. This one is much better than the current space constrained search results in the left rail. One thing which you will immediately notice is that the full page gives much better context to the user by displaying the group chat name, much more context about the post, and this experience is optimized for recognition and familiarity. We will also be launching the All tab in Teams, which helps the user find results spanning across messages, people, files, domains, and much more in the future with results most relevant to the query appearing on top. Megan was in a meeting with the onboarding team, and one of Megan's colleagues mentioned TEE as being super important in onboarding. She was left wondering what the acronym actually meant. How many times we have heard acronyms from a lot of our colleagues and we couldn't understand what it was. She poses the question to Team Search, and voila, she was able to see the meaning of TEE as well as emails and links which which she can go and click and understand more about the particular topic. Team search is just moving from a typical search engine and into the domain of answering capabilities. Our powerful Microsoft Search AI mines documents, emails, and other information within your organization and provides answers and insights to help work get done faster. After the meeting, Megan was just planning to take some time off next month and wanted to see if there were any recent changes in vacation policies. She puts the query time off in the Teams search box and presses enter. And right on top, she is able to see a bookmark answer, which when clicked directly takes her to the internal HR approved policy page, and she's able to get more information related to time off. This answer is what you is an example of what you call as a bookmark answer, which IT admin can configure for the users. And these insights and answers will help you get your work done, and we'll be innovating with new answer capabilities which exist in other M365 properties along in our launch of the modern search results page experience.
Megan has moved away from her desk and is using search on Teams Mobile now. Let's see how that goes. Megan can access her links from mobile as well. Just searching for time off brings her all the links related to the same in her organization. Teams is a hub for her to bring all that she needs to get her work done. Megan is on the go and wants to see what her next meeting is. Teams Mobile now helps you reach your next meeting much easier with just a simple query. You can also directly join your meeting from here. Not only that, you can search for meetings with specific participants, a last meeting, and many more using Teams Mobile Search. For Megan to prepare for her next meeting, she needs to search for message on organization update shared by her colleague Nestor. Let's see how she can do this easily using voice input in Teams Mobile. Search for messages from Nestor on organization update. Teams Mobile Search understands her intent perfectly and using natural language support helps her with the most relevant results for her query. So now Megan can work hands-free. Due to keyboarding constraints, Megan does a spelling mistake in her search in mobile. Megan is searching for quarterly review deck but makes a mistake. No worries, we have it covered. Support for spelling errors helps make search experience easier for our users.
Megan recollects that there was a conversation related to sales review in either chats or channels and wants to get caught up on the discussions to help her with sales projections for a new product. She queries for review in the Teams search box on top, clicks on the more messages, and goes into the message search results page. She is able to see the most relevant message right on top. She recollects that it's the message might be in a channel related to go to market. She's able to quickly search for the team and channel and apply the filter and see the message uh, on the message search results page. The message search result page in Teams has richer metadata like title, location, attachment, mentions, etc. And it also has the ability for the user to preview the message before they navigate to the location in context. In addition to that, all the filters are easily discoverable and easy to use, which helps the user refine the messages much faster. Teams message relevance also derives its power from the data in Microsoft Graph, which has the organization knowledge and interaction signals across all M365 products, as well as the world knowledge from Bing. Advanced machine learning techniques, including language understanding, personalization, and ranking, is used to identify the messages which are most relevant to the query as well as the user in context. Megan wanted to get caught up on the latest sales numbers in the quarterly review deck. She queries for review in the Teams search box and goes to the Files tab in Teams search, where she is able to locate the file right at the top. She can open the file and read through it. Revamped file search experience in Teams comes with much better metadata as well as file snippets and snapshots of the file. We can immediately notice that this page is extremely familiar and is coherent with other Microsoft properties, including SharePoint and Office.com. Users will also be able to do inline actions in the search results page, like copy link and paste in chat to complete the task at hand. The next set of demos we will focus on showcases the improvements which we have done in people search and type ahead auto suggest. Research indicates that the most important task which employees do in intranets is employee lookup. Team search has made immense improvements in matching, natural language understanding, as well as relevance based on signals or based on your interactions in M365 properties, which will help you connect to the right people as well as navigate to your team's channels and group chats faster. Megan wanted to reach Johanna from the engineering team. And as you can see, she does a typing mistake, but still is able to reach to the right Johanna and complete her task. We have invested a lot in phonetic spell corrections, nickname matching, and relevance, which will help you reach the right contact faster. In addition to that, you can also use natural language queries on your people profile attributes like designation or location. If I type Alex from marketing, I'm able to reach Alex Wilbur, who is a marketing assistant, rather than Alex from the engineering team. I can also use queries based on the person's location. For example, Nestor in building 36 will help me reach the right Nestor Wilke, who is a director who has his office in building 36. In addition to people search, we have also made it easy for users to navigate quickly to their team's channels and group chats. Megan has an office lunch group with her colleagues, and if she wants to directly navigate to it, she can type the name of the folks who are in the office lunch group, click on it, and directly navigate to it. You can also reach chats by directly using the name of the chat. So if I want to directly navigate to the company-wide planning chat, I can put that in search and navigate as well. In addition to that, Megan wanted to go to the digital assets channel, which is in the Mark 8 project team. She's able to click on it and directly navigate and complete her task faster. Moving on to the next set of demos on contextual search. Megan is in the company-wide planning chat and recollects that somebody posted an organizational update message in the same chat. She presses Ctrl F in the chat and puts in the query org update in the query bar and press enter and clicks on the results, and she's able to reach to the exact message which she wanted to find. Few months back, Teams launched the contextual search feature, which helps you find context within a chat as well as channel. And as you can see over here, Megan is also able to go back to the previous channel meeting recordings through this feature. We believe that contextual search should help users focus and helps them complete their tasks by keeping them in context, and this has been immensely helpful feature for our users.
Megan wants to search for posts on icebreaker techniques shared in customer meetup channel. She doesn't remember when it was shared or by whom. Find in channel function enables users search for conversations in channel. This much needed feature is made available in mobile few months back. Now, Megan wants to search for her chat group named Lunch Group, where her friend Alex had shared a party invite for today. Just searching for the chat group name helps Megan find the right group. Find in chat function enables her to search for party invitation inside the group. Find in chat along with find in channel functions were enabled in Teams Mobile few months back. The same enables users find conversations from within a long chat or inside a channel. So, some party time now. The new search header for mobile with microphone will help our users search easily from anywhere in the app. This will be coming soon to Teams Mobile.
So, that was a small sneak peek of what's new and what's next in Team Search. We have the new immersive search results page for rich and easy way to search. Answers and insights will bring the best of M365 to Team. The new revamped People Search experience will help you land on your conversations really fast and easy and find what you need from where you are using search inside conversations, natural language support, and the new search header in mobile. There is much more coming up, and we are delighted to make user journey in Teams better with better search, find, and navigation. Signing off, Team Search.